I'm just waiting somebody to come online, and here we go. Hello guys. Good evening everyone here. I have two people watching my live stream. So would you like to introduce yourself in the comment section, or maybe you can send me a request. I will accept it and we will talk about. I don't have the topic to talk about, so if you have any topic we can discuss on that. And as you can see, my name is Saurabh and I am from Uttarakhand, India. I'm the person who likes to talk with people and who likes to share value and get value from them. So if you are the person who wants to improve English, who wants a partner to talk with, you can send me a request right now. We can talk about the introduction. We can talk about anything you like me to talk. You can give me a topic on which I will be answering and putting my views over here. And if you have your opinion on something, you can do that also. So I'm just checking how to add you guys. I don't know how to do that, but I'm sure if you can send me a request to join my live stream here, and I think I can add only one person at a time. Correct me if I'm wrong. Guys, I want this session to be kind of interactive, so would you mind commenting down here and introduce yourself in the comment section? Just say hi and good evening, or maybe anything. If you guys are not gonna say anything, I have to, unfortunately I have to end this live stream, because I'm here only because I want interactive session with you guys. uh, am I even audible to you guys? I'm not sure, because I can see like there are 61 people right now watching me. Now 57, 58. Sorry. And I'm not getting any comments here. Okay, I got invitation from. Okay. Guys, you can send me a request if you want to talk with me. Okay, thank you, Ranjit Kumar KR. Thank you for the confirmation here. Okay, guys, let's make this live stream little bit interactive. Ask any questions to me. Give your questions, your queries, or anything you want to talk about. I want to learn English just like you. Do you think I'm good at speaking English? It's breaking, man. Okay, Lisa John, I think it is because of network issue from your end, from your side maybe, because I have Wi-Fi connection, LAN connection, so I'm kind of getting 15 Mbps speed. So this is not from my side. Okay. Hello,
Hello.
hello, man. How are you?
Yes, I'm Alhamdulillah. What about you?
I'm also good. I'm
Talk
doing
about
good.
your economical position in your country.
Economical position, like it
Yes.
is getting worse day by day. Like it is like any other country now in India. We are facing a lot of problems here. Like we already know, because of COVID-19 situation, we don't have any jobs right now. Even though we have a lot of like government jobs, but that also, like, you can see if you are very keen in like if you know about India. So what is happening here is the government is selling all its intellect, or not intellect, I don't remember the word. It is simply, if I put in a very easy way, they are selling out their property. They are they are doing privatization because they don't
Uh,
have money to spend.
This is a corona situation, so it is quite difficult to rise up every country about economical. So can you watch the comment in this comment section? So many one comment in there. Where are you from? Hi, how are you?
Okay, okay.
So answer
Let me
that.
answer the comments here
Yes.
first. MD wants to join. Okay, I think I can add only one person at a time.
Okay,
So
you
MD,
can add
you
it,
have.
no problem. I'll join
Uh,
later.
no, 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 no. It is not like that. We'll talk for a few seconds or for a few minutes, and after you, I'll join him. I'll make him join. Okay. Where are you
If
from?
anyone
I'm
can,
from.
if you want to join anyone, then you can send a request from your comment section to him.
I'm kind. I'll do that. I will do that. I am from India. If you know the city Delhi or maybe Noida, Delhi NCR, I am living here right now. But basically, I am from Uttarakhand. I'm good. Where are you from? I have already answered this question. I am from Philippines. Hello, Saina. Sorry if I pronounce your name wrong. Okay, man, I forgot to ask your name. What's your name?
My name is Khaza Shamsuddoha. I'm from Bangladesh.
Okay, okay. I have a lot of friends who who are from Bangladesh. Like I am using this application, Halo application. They are very much like lot of people are from Bangladesh, and majority of people are from India and Bangladesh. We are a neighbor country, right? So we
Yes,
also have history. Bangladesh and India also have, because we are neighbor countries, so we have a lot of history to talk about. Do you know any past incident between historic incident between India or Bangladesh?
I
Before
can't
that,
hear you.
before
I
answering to
can't
that
hear
question,
you
I would
clearly.
like to. Okay. Before answering to that question, I would like you to introduce yourself. A little introduction, maybe.
So I'm studying on undergraduation at Dhaka University, staying at Dhaka,
Fine. Dhaka, yeah.
and yes, I'm born in here. So
Okay.
I have visited many times in Delhi, Punjab, UP, and etc. in your country. So there's a lot of
Yeah.
friends in India, Assam, and everywhere. Most probably.
Would you like to talk about your hobbies? What are the things on which you
My
like
hobby,
invest your
I
lot of
love to
time?
play. I love to play football, watching football, cricket, and everything. Like in
Yeah.
playground, I love to stay at playground. I just what about you?
Who's your favorite player? Ronaldo,
My favorite
Messi?
player, Messi, and I like Messi, Ronaldo, Neymar because they are playing unstoppable and untold them. So I just love them. What about you?
Okay.
What about
I
your hobby and
Okay.
your passion?
That's not much. But I am the person who spend most of his time on reading novels and books, holy books, and most of the time I read self-help books. You know, non-fiction books, sometimes fiction books also. But I invest a lot of my time in reading. And you can say, if I talk about in terms of apart from this, I'm a dancer, not a solo dancer. I'm a group dancer. If you know Bhangra, it's a kind of a dance form in Punjab. I like to do that.
Oh,
So
nice.
these are the two. Yeah, man. So these are the
That is
two things. Yeah, these are the two things which I like to do most. I also have the
nice.
dance group in my college. I had a dance group in my college. I recently graduated. I completed my bachelor's of business administration, and
Oh,
right now I'm working in a company which is based on providing education online. And the name, I don't know if you are aware of this company or not, but it is kind of a prominent company in India, and the name of that company is Byju's.
oh,
I'm sure that a lot of people here who are from India must know about it.
I don't know about this, but I am studying on statistics in the statistics uh,
Hmm.
department of statistics in Dhaka University, and
Okay. I'm also a commerce student,
I,
not an
I,
economics
I,
student.
I'm at third year. I don't already completed it, so I need time to complete, and so
Okay.
I'm now
What are your
like
short-term
to
goal or maybe your future plan? Your immediate plan after your graduation?
after my graduation, I want to go for higher study in America
And
or
okay.
Australia.
Have you ever been to India?
Uh, 10 to 12 time.
Okay. So I would like to know, like we guys are look alike, kind of the Bangladeshi people and Indian people are of same, you know, color or maybe the way of talking is different, but uh, you guys don't have accent, right? Bangladeshi
Yes.
people don't have accent.
About what?
The English accent, because a lot of my friends who are from Bangladesh, they speak in British accent and US
Yes.
accent.
Yes.
But
Yes.
what is your what is your personal
Most probably
difference?
time we are following British accent because of our extracurricular activities. Like I am completed a course from British Council, so I always like to
Mm-hmm.
talk in English with their accents. And there's many other thing that most of the people are following like this, but our institutional study is not always supporting us for speaking English frequently. That's why we are always
Mm-hmm.
getting lower thing for this.
I can see your English level is good enough, and but I would like to know one thing from you, man. What is this thing which kind of pushing you to work on your English level? Because whatever we have right now, we are enough. What do you think about it?
I can't hear you clearly. Can you
I
repeat,
just,
please?
in short, I asked you a question. What is the motive behind improving your English?
I just
Hello.
practicing some.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just practicing some book from American, and I want to I want to improve my English in speaking and more grammatical thing. That should be
Mm-hmm.
more exercise, but exercise book is not sufficient in other sites. So I'm trying to from
Mm-hmm.
learning online course like Harvard, EDX from other countries' university, free course that
Mm-hmm.
I already completed some
Mm-hmm.
courses in English. So
Okay, good enough.
it should be in our practical life that we are talking in English with our friend circle and family that will be more frequent in
Hmm.
English to us.
Yeah. Okay, I got it. But as far as I notice this thing that there are many reasons why people want to learn this language, and the most common reason is because they think that if I can learn this language, I will become a kind of a fancy people person, or maybe. But there are plenty of things like my personal motivation is because like we all know that English is a international language, right? I
Yes,
love to interact with people. So yeah,
yes.
I just want to know that what are their like mind, like thoughts. So how do they think? So what are their
Most
views on
most
some
important
particular
thing
topic?
most important thing to learn English is if we want to go out of our country, then we have to know how to talk in English because they don't know or they don't allow you to
Mm-hmm.
talk other language. So you
Yeah.
should or you have to speak in English with
Yeah, I
them.
know.
So,
Yeah, definitely.
it is quite normal that the people who are studying for higher education or everything who is studying in like graduation or a postgraduate.
Hmm.
So he or he have to understand how to speak in English. It is
Yes,
always
exactly.
necessary to them.
Yeah, beautiful. Like you are talking about in behalf of the people who wants to go outside for an education to get
Yeah,
an education.
for
Yeah, there
education,
is.
tour, and everything.
This is also
If
one
you
of
if
the
you if you
common
cross your
reason.
border, then you have to talk in English. That will be your smartness.
That is the requirement.
Yes, yes.
Smartness become later, but it is a requirement if you are going
Necessary,
outside your country,
necessary.
and you should know this language. But I
Yeah.
think like English is a super English language to learn, and it is one of the language which you can learn easily. This is my personal view because it kinds of become easy for somebody who's coming from English literature background. For example, my studies, I completed my graduation and my schooling in English. What we call it? English background.
Individual want, individual wants to join, so I would like to floor him on the speaking. So I will be disconnected. You just
Okay, okay.
connect him.
Yeah,
Okay. Thank
definitely.
you, brother.
MD was asked.
Take care.
Okay, okay. Nice to meet you, though. Bye.
Nice to meet you, bro. Bye.
Yeah, MD, you were asking me to join you. Okay, let's see. Have you sent any request to me? No, I cannot see your request. Would you mind sending me the request again if you are still here? Hmm. So, guys, tell me. Just comment your place. Where are you from, guys? Like 23 people are watching right now. Just write, type down your country or maybe your city if you are from India. Just comment. I'm not gonna send you a request if you are not comfortable talking with me, but you can interact here in the comment section if you like. Guys, now and never. You have to work on your like we have to work on our communication skill and uh, on English because it is kind of in 21st century it is kind of important to have some basic fluency. I think like most of you would agree with it because it gives you a lot of opportunities in the market. If you are the person who knows how to speak it, then you are good to go. Then you will stand out in the crowd. This is my personal opinion here. No offense to anybody. Okay, MD, you have for that you have you have to send me a request because I don't know how to send you a request from here because it is the first time I'm live on this app on Facebook on this particular communication group. No, I'm not a teacher. Girl, I'm not a teacher. I'm just a good student. Okay, I think I got one request from Bijoy Kumar Das. Let hear from him and see what he has to say because I think he's looking like somebody who has lot of knowledge. Hello, sir. How are you? Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm
After
also.
some days,
It couldn't be
I
better.
see you,
No, this is,
and
uh,
uh,
sir. This
I
is my
can
first
I
live
can
stream.
re-
Mhm.
I can recall that few days ago I spoke with you,
No, I
and
think
you
no, sir. This is my first live stream on this communication group, English group.
but in another group I saw you, and
No,
you are very smart in speaking
no, not a
and
chance,
very
sir.
smart.
Okay, would you like to give your short introduction?
Yeah, I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh my God, lot of
I'm
people are here on this application, like
yeah,
on this group, are from Bangladesh.
yeah.
I'm
Do you
I'm
feel bore with Bangladeshi?
no. Why would I? I am simply not. I why would I? No.
Very
Every what happened to you? I don't know, man. I don't have any problem with Bangladeshi. I like it doesn't matter who you are and from where you are because everybody has a unique personality and unique value. So somebody is asking me where I have already answered this question, but for you, I am from India. I am from India. If you have to ask me the city, I am from Delhi NCR. I don't know what happened with you, sir. I think maybe it's network issue. So I'm still waiting for somebody to send me a request. Otherwise, I have to kind of wind up this live session here. Okay, no, for me, I'm from Morocco. Uh, I suppose, I guess this is, I don't know where it is. I think it is in Middle East, Halima. If you want to talk with me, Halima, you can send me a request here. Yusuf, hello, Guru Prasad. How are you? Just guys, please keep commenting here. I will reply to everybody's comment, and maybe I will ask you a couple of questions. You can North Africa. Okay, okay, North Africa. Morocco is in North Africa. I'm an, I'm very bad at remembering countries' name. You're scared to speak English. Yeah, yes, okay. I believe that you are from India, so I can speak little bit Hindi. ओके जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था इंग्लिश सीखना तो मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा आई वॉज ऑल्सो अनकम्फर्टेबल बट वट आई डिड वॉज लाइक you have to consciously put yourself there like you have to be there no matter what happens because sooner or later you will do that like maybe for example I'm supposing that you are 22 years old, right? 22 years old right now, and when you become like 30 years old you will regret that I have never spent time on myself, improving on myself. So believe me, if you are not doing it right now you will do it later. You can start from a short introduction. You can start just practice your introduction for maybe 10 minutes, like 10 times a day for 2 days, 2 straight days, and join somebody's live stream and talk to that person and just give that introduction part only. And believe me, he will not even he will not catch you that you don't know English because then you can cut the call. This will give you some kind of confidence and it's a good start to start with. Man, this is you're asking, you need to find some topic to talk about. I really appreciate your suggestion, but this is my first live stream on this particular group. So from next time onwards, I'll be focusing on my on topics. Tell some books name to learn English. I think you don't need any book, particular English learning book. I think what you need is somebody who can talk with you. So you need a speaking partner. Okay, Halima is asking me a question. How much time we need to speak? I'm supposing you are asking me how much time it will take to become a good speaker, right? In English. So I would say it took me only. I'm supposing that you are a you have completed your graduation or your schooling from English medium school. So if that's the case, you will learn. If you're putting 3 hours every single day, and so it would I think it will take you merely like nearly 8 to 9 months if you are serious about learning English. But I always suggest guys to listen a lot of English podcast. Lot of you have to listen a lot of English. Okay, about my reading habit, sir, I like me personally, I read books like Rich Dad Poor Dad. I don't know like you are aware of this book, but I like the books which gives value. You can start with simple book. Like I started with a book called Champak. This book is specifically for children's. There are a lot of cartoons in that book. So yeah, so you can start with a simple book. No, you are asking me you need to memorize vocabulary and focus on grammar. You are suggesting me. I don't believe in memorizing vocabulary because I have tried that also. When you memorize vocabulary, if you do not use it regularly, you will forget it. But if you are a person who is reading and who is listening and who at the same time speaking in a same day, you are good to go. Only 4 people can send me a request at a time. So I got a request from Guru Prasad and Naveed Khan. Okay, Naveed Khan. Sorry for mispronouncing your name, Naveed. I'm from India, Hamza. Expecting somebody who can speak better than me because there is the only way by which I can improve. And I guys like I also want you guys to interact with and talk with somebody who already know how to speak English, maybe a little bit, because if you do not do that, if you talk with somebody who don't know how to speak it, you will learn wrong English. uh okay, I got a request from Shubham Kashyap. Let's hear from him. Hello Shubham bro, you can show your, if you're not comfortable, I'm fine with it also, but you have to speak. I don't know what's wrong with this man. Are you coming in live every day? No, this is my first day, and maybe if I get a good response from you guys, I'll come every single day with a topic. I think if you follow me, I don't know how does this application works. I think if you follow me, is there any option of following anybody? If there is an option, you should do that. And the next time when I come online, when I post a new live stream, you'll get the notification. I believe this. Okay, Khan, sorry. Maybe next time because I'm kind of wrapping up this session here. Okay, Yusuf. Really, you have already taken your first step by your introduction. My name is Yusuf. I am from Morocco, north of Africa. I would like ask you a question, please, sir. How I can practice speak English lonely? Means alone. And do you know some application to start preparing for TOEFL, because all good job need people who are able to speak English. Thanks. I agree with the thing which you said in the last sentence. English is a kind of mandatory thing today. So if you guys This is for you all also. I'm writing one application name here, and you can download this application. And believe me, if you like this application, you can come back to me later and you can thank me. The name of this app is Halo, not Hello, Halo. You will get this application in Play Store. Just download it, and it is super free. You don't have to spend your money. But if you're liking, I believe you will like this application. There is an option of getting premium membership, and it is super easy. If you are from India, for 1 month you have to pay 450 rupees only. Raghu, this is for you also. Just download the application I have mentioned here. The name of this application is Halo, Hallo. I'm also active on that application. You can see my live stream. I go live daily on that application, and that is super free. You don't have to spend any money on that, and you can host your own live stream like me. I hope I speak English as similar as you. You will do better than me. I'm still learning how to learn meaning of sentences. How to learn meaning of sentences. For that, you have to learn basics. Yes, the name of that app is Halo. And thank you everyone for being here and giving your time. Like I think that I believe that everybody's time is very precious, and you're spending your time here and you're giving your time to me, and that means a lot to me. If you want any question done from my side, if you want to ask any question, you can ping me in the in a personal message. You can send me a friend request on Facebook. And will willingly answer your questions. Oh dear, that's nice. Where there are many Indians working in different sectors here in our country, Ethiopia. For instance, I was learning with them at the campus. Yeah, there are a lot of Indians. Indians are everywhere. You will find Indians everywhere in the world. I'm not praising our country, but it is as it is. It is the case. Assalamu alaikum dear, it's me Navid Khan from Pakistan. I am an English teacher. I tried talk you, but not connected. I might give you some suggestion, but unfortunately, inshallah, some other time. Okay, Navid Khan is also an English teacher. The next time when you come live, which topic? I don't know. I don't have any topic right now. Anything is not coming in my mind. I'll think about it and I will come later. Tomorrow maybe. I've already spelled the name of that application. The name of the application is Halo. You can download this application from Play Store. So that is all for today, guys. I have to go. Thank you for your time. I hope for well-being of everyone who is watching this live stream.